Hi guys, got an unboxing today. Parkside 48 watt soldering station. It's model PLS 48B1. And let's open it up. Oop. I've seen the demo model, or at least an open box at the shop. This one is from the Lidl. And as you can see, all the safety warranties and inspections and etc. So let's open it up. And it was €11.99. And let's take a look. It looks like a proper soldering station. Get the box out of here. And untangle the wires. So, feels a bit greasy, but that's okay. We'll clean it up and everything. And let's just get rid of these things to take a proper look at it. So, one very long wall plug, very nice. That's always handy to have. And Parkside, it has apparently some temperature control, and we'll test that out in a bit. Well, the wire is long enough for the iron itself. Goes there. Of course, one of these things that go here has a manual. That's all not that interesting for now. Product conformity add onto it, and it states soldering station, and in Dutch it states regelbaar soldeerstation, so that's regulable. That's nice. Let's put that aside. Let's take a look at a little added benefit. I'm going to put that aside. There is a very small tray that goes underneath. And in that tray there is two little spools of soldering wire and an additional bit. And this is a chisel one. And on the iron itself there is a regular one. Now apparently these bits are non-standard size, so you might have a problem replacing them, but still it's €11.99, so I'm not all that worried about that. The solder is 1.5 millimeters or 1 millimeters, and they're both S-SN60 Pb40, so that's for 60% tin, 40% lead, and they're very small spools, but hey, it gets you started at least. Okay, let's rearrange this. It's set at 300, trust me on that. And let's get some stuff done. Because what I've got here is my old soldering iron. As you can see, the tip is completely ready to be replaced. And I got this one, I guess even second hand, but it has a broken cable. That's something that we'll have to replace. So let's open it up first. Hello. Yeah. Great. Let's straighten these ones up. So, as you can see, is it the same gauge? Roundabout, yeah, good. I'm going to tin these wires. So, And we need some solder. Just for now I'll use my big bill, or shall I use the included ones? There is a lot of heat coming from this machine. Let's see. This is the 1.5 millimeter, and I think that's a bit excessive. The tray on this soldering station is a piece of crap, but still. Although it might not seem it, but this is properly soldered now. And the leads are tinned well enough so they won't fray. And let's do the final check on that and cut away excess outer cable. That's number 1. That's number 2, and now let's get number 3 in there. That one is has the most solder on it, so we'll have to first let's place them properly and see if we need to twist anything. Nope. Yeah. And that is number 3. Like I said, it's fiddly work. Now, so let's get the thing properly seated and everything, including this little thing. Double check, is it solidly locked in there? 1, 2, and the last one is over here. That's number 3. Yeah. Okay. And as usual, I'm losing screws, but yeah, it was still attached to the magnetic head, so that's good. Double check that this piece of wire is properly in there. It is. Line the holes and screw it in. So guys, my Weller 75 is fixed. I do need to get a new tip for it, but I'm happy with it and my new soldering station. So I hope you liked the video, and one tip: if you get this one, don't pull out the entire tray, because you'll have a mighty hard time getting it back in there. So, you know, just a little tip. Hope you liked the video. Hope you like the channel, or subscribe at least. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.